sure there is 14 people hiding in this house. In this video, whoever finds the most people will win the grand prize of $1 billion. Wait, who's paying for that?
Oh, what?
What? No, I didn't. But you guys really go fast. It's not a race. It's no competition, but it starts right now. I gotta go. What? Guys, what are you doing? Well, that was something. I'm gonna be the 1 minute to hide, and I am purple team, blue team,
Cream team.
yep, and 1 minute is almost up, and you guys are about to go down.
Oh, no way.
I'm winning.
I'm winning.
I'm gonna win.
You're going down.
No.
You're
You're
gonna have to pay me $1 billion.
I'm winning.
No, it's from you.
Oh wait, what?
Oh no.
Oh.
I'm
gonna
win.
No, I'm gonna win.
I'm about to win. Well, we better get going.
Yeah, let's go.
1 minute is up.
1 minute's up. Let's go in and find everybody.
Let's do it. We're gonna go find
Oh.
everybody.
Well,
Wait for the thing to adjust.
all right, everybody go. You're going down, you guys. Oh my gosh. I don't know where to go. Oh my gosh, I thought that couch was alive. Okay, I feel like someone will be hiding behind the couch. No. I'm gonna go start over here. We're gonna go upstairs because I don't think anyone's actually downstairs. Hello? If someone's in here, make a noise, please. Blakey! I just found Blake. That was a pretty good hiding spot, yes? Okay, I found one person, and it's my sister Blake. Okay, I'm about to look in Savannah's room because I can. Okay. What is this? It's like a full lounge. No one's there. If anyone's under this bed, we're gonna go look under the bed. I don't think anyone could get under there. Not gonna lie. Is anyone in here? The shower curtain. Oh, I got Carpet Canyon. Okay, go downstairs to the playground. You guys have purple team. Got 2 more, 3 people.
Hey, what?
Hey!
Hey, how many people have you found?
3.
You found 3? What? I found nobody.
Oh yes!
No.
Time to look in the boys' room. Hello? Someone in the laundry mat? Oh my gosh!
It's actually not dirty. Ken just got it off his bed.
That's 4 people. You're purple team.
Okay.
Okay, so far I have 4 people. Okay, so I got 4 people. Maybe someone's hiding behind these doors. So, I don't know where anyone is. I see some hair. Oh my gosh! Well, I found another. That's 5 people. Your purple team. Woo! I will go on the deck actually outside. If I can unlock this. Savannah! What are you doing out here? Yeah. Oh my gosh! I don't know where anyone is. Can you look outside? Because it's scary. Oh my gosh! Okay, I'm outside right now, but I don't know where anyone would hide.
Hey, what are you doing?
No, you found them! Oh. Anyone under the car? No. I'm gonna look behind this thing.
Hey, you just got a clue. I'm coming over here now.
I don't know what she told me. She just pointed at me.
Hey.
Oh. No. Hey, anyone in here? Where are they? Oh my gosh. Where did she point? Did you see? Someone's under there. Peyton, is that you? Yeah. Yes. I got Peyton. I gotta go back inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, coming inside. We're gonna look over here. Is anyone in here? No? I don't know anyone. So.
Do you want to hide downstairs?
Oh! No, you don't go down.
Yeah, you can stay up there. Taylor, I'm going up there.
I'm a fan. I don't understand this place. What am the cushions are all like thrown. I don't think anyone. Okay, I'm gonna back upstairs. You can keep looking down here.
It's down here.
I'm gonna go back upstairs. Okay. Oh no!
I was in my candle bed.
Oh my gosh! No! I know someone is in here.
Hey, what do you think you're doing, Taylor?
Just leaving.
No.
Oh, I literally went past that guy. There has to be someone else in here.
Wait, we're all
Are these all like locked? Oh, no one's in there.
Is there nobody in these ones?
Those are all locked. Oh wait, no, they're not. Ah, there's no one there though. That wasn't good.
No. Wait, how many people have you found?
I think 5 or 6.
I have 5, guys.
So there's 5 or 6, but we have like 3 or 4 people
I
left.
really found nobody.
Really?
What?
I'm so horrible. How have you guys found so many people?
Where are they?
So bad.
I seriously thought I was like,
How many did you find?
0 people.
If you find the one, you could win this thing.
I can
Where is she?
You know, not like the last one, you could win this thing.
Stand.
I'm
So
so
you better
bad.
hurry. You
I
better
found
hurry.
0 people.
Hurry, hurry. There's
Oh.
one left.
I'm gonna find her.
Danielle. Gosh, they can't hide in closet inside.
whoever finds her is the ultimate winner, actually.
Oh my gosh. What?
You still have a chance.
You still though.
She's worth 10 points.
I don't know where she is.
Hurry, find her.
Is she like in the?
It's obviously not an easy spot. You gotta get looking.
She in the kitchen? Ah! Oh my gosh! You scared the crap out of me. Oh my! Oh my god! I saw like a gap in between, and I was like, why is there a gap?
Holy shit, you literally almost found me.
She scared me so bad. My heart hurts. I saw like a furry thing. I was like, why is that fur?
Everybody on the blue team, come to me. Everybody on the blue
Purple team, come over here. Okay, if you're purple team, stand right here.
team. I'm on your team too.
I found you.
I found so much people and I found nobody. That is so disappointing.
I think I found.
Ari team, who got found?
Ari team.
I found the one in the red shirt. So one.
Who do you guys think was the
I got 6 people.
Who do you think won?
think won?
We don't know.
Who won?
We won.
Who do you think won?
I think Taylor won.
Yeah, Taylor won.
She lost.
Who got Danielle?
We don't know. Who do you think won?
Who got Danielle? I think
No.
Taylor.
Who do you think got Danielle?
I think
You guys think I got Danielle?
Yeah. I think Taylor got Danielle.
We don't know.
Let's go inside to reveal it. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, everybody gather around Danielle. Danielle will say who the winner was. I will. Yeah.
They don't know who won.
Everybody over around Danielle.
The winner is everybody listening?
Yeah.
The winner is me.
Yay!
Woo!
The winner is Taylor.
I found 7 people, but one of those 7 people was worth 10 people, so I won! Woo! What? So I get $1 billion!
Well, I don't actually have that much cash, so I'll just give you a high five and a fist bump instead. Oh, and here's your prize.
Yeah! Make sure you check out
Savannah Banana.
And the Big Family Duels.
And thank you for watching.